Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're going to be talking about a humming, buzzing noise that my dad's 11 LML has. I guess I only noticed it a couple years ago. There's no performance concern or anything like that. I've been trying to track it down. I've checked exhaust brackets, downpipe brackets, alignment, no smell of diesel. So I think it's going to come down to, I was looking into several forums and found a PIP, which is a informational bulletin from GM. It's PIP 4826B, and this one talks about 11, 12 LMLs where they have this humming sound. So let's see if you can hear it in this video. All right. So now that you've heard that, it's just kind of like this, like sound. So we're going to try this informational bulletin fix. It's pretty easy. So let's take a look. So what it's wanting you to do is loosen in the clamp on this EGR line to the heater core. And what you're going to need to do is, I found it easier, you need to remove this piece of the intake. It's easiest just to take the cover off. Then take that. Be careful when you take your sensor off. Be careful not to bonk your mass airflow sensor that's in there. And then all you got to do is pinch this clip, and then you're going to rotate this hose till this bend is in the 90. So now it does say in that informational bulletin that this is for early build, so your build sticker number should be on your door, I guess after June of 11. They changed the hose design so it's longer, and supposedly you need more parts. But because this won't hurt to just turn it a little bit, we're going to go ahead and turn it, see if it calms that buzzing sound down. Just shy of that, I wouldn't even know where to begin on what the heck the sound would be from. So we're just going to loosen it up, and it says turn it counterclockwise. So as you're looking at it, you're going to go left, and we're going to get this loop piece as high into the 90 as we can. All right, so once you do that, you just pinch it. If it's super tight, we got it up in the 90. You have to kind of reach down around the back of here and just kind of push the other clip up so it takes some of that tension off of here. So now we got nothing touching. So it is some sharp stuff under there, so watch your 6 on that little clip there. Was in a hurry, and usually my cardinal rule is wear gloves. Didn't do that today. That was pretty slick. So again, we're gonna put this all back together and see if it makes the sound. I like putting the clip right back in the same place it was before on the hose. Same grooves. You don't have to pull it off. You don't have to drain fluid. You don't have to do anything to do it. All right, so we got it back together. Now, again, people in the forum said that their 12 was doing this. They did this without changing out, without doing anything, using extra pieces. So give it a shot. You need a 5/16 to take off your 2 hose clamps, a Phillips head to take off your airbox cover, a pair of pliers, 20 minutes of your time, and maybe some injury. But let's fire it up and see if that fixed this sound, if you will. All right, so we're back, guys. Like I said, it made the sound briefly, but it said it has something to do with how the coolant passes through that line and the way the direction was. But I don't hear it right now. Now it's ramping up idle. Well, I don't hear the noise anymore, guys, so I will put the instructions all cut and pasted from GM's bulletin, but if you want to Google that specifically, you can after that. But like I said, didn't have anything to do with performance, just annoying. So it's worth a shot on your LML Duramax. Hopefully that helped, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.